Hello, welcome back to the Mark Janot Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm going to go over some alarming, staggering, troubling, scary cybersecurity stats that a lot of people don't know. So we're going to get educated in this. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So cybersecurity threats pose a greater risk than ever before. More and more people rely on modern technology, and an increasing number of US and international businesses use digital devices and web-based software. After extensive research, the data analysis team found the following cybersecurity facts and data breach statistics. So cyber attacks happen once every 39 seconds. 95% of cyber attacks are due to human error. Cybercrime cost people in the United States an estimated $6.9 billion in 2021. Globally, an estimated 30,000 websites are hacked each day. 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses. Only 5% of a company's folders and files are properly protected. Cybersecurity was likely a concern for you, whether you know how many people get hacked a year or not. Regardless, knowing the facts can easily drive home just how big of an issue cybersecurity has become in the modern world. So here are some general statistics that you need to know. Cybercrime costs the global economy $6 trillion each year. The cost of cybercrime is increasing significantly and is expected to grow by as much as 15% over the next 5 years. It's estimated that by 2025, cybercrime will cost the world roughly $10.5 trillion each year. Almost all cybersecurity breaches are due to human error. We just talked about that, right? Hackers can target almost anyone, but there are certain targets more vulnerable to cybersecurity threats than others. So here are some common hacking trends. Approximately 3.8 million records are exposed by hackers every day. From 2013 through today, it's estimated that 3,809,448 records have been and continue to be exposed by hackers every single day. At this rate, 158,000 documents roughly are exposed every hour. 2,645 documents are exposed every minute, and as many as 44 seconds are exposed every second. Hackers primarily target the government, retail, and technology industries. Roughly 90% of all cybersecurity breaches happen in government, retail, and technology markets. Experts suggest that this high risk rate is due to the fact that these markets have a large number of personal records and sensitive information, including credit card information, social security numbers, and computer passwords in their digital files. Outside of these three markets, the healthcare industry is often targeted by digital hackers. In 2020 alone, 75% of healthcare facilities in the United States were infected with malicious software at some point during the year. Individuals have much lower chances of getting hacked. Approximately 111 million Americans are hacked each year. Records indicate that as many as 1 in 3 Americans have their data breached every year, which is totally roughly 111 million individuals, right? Most personal data breaches on US citizens can be linked to insecure usernames and passwords and a lack of digital literacy. The average cost of a digital data breach in the US is $200,000. For all companies, big and small, a cybersecurity attacks cost on average $200,000. While more American companies have been proactive in their mission to ward off cyber attacks, the rate at which breaches happen continues to increase due to the
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
We fighting. This word is not going to get me. Due to the debilitating costs associated with the digital data breaches, an estimated 60% of American businesses are forced to shut off their doors within 6 months of being attacked. The average ransom demand is more than $150,000. Today, the average ransom demand is $178,000, which is 60% more than the early 2020 average of $111,000. It's estimated that more than 1/3 of all companies are attacked with ransomware, pay the price, or a similar one within 16 days. You see how these hackers got them in the bunch? Roughly 1 million new pieces of malware are made each day. Historical data suggests that more than 317 million computer viruses or malware are created each year. At that rate, nearly 1 million new viruses are created each day. My goodness. So, what is your perspective on this? Please let me know in the comments section. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. Please share the content. I love you. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Protect yourself.